In this video, I'll show you how to change your Google Chrome homepage in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to set Google, your favorite website, or another page you visit every day, this is a quick Chrome setting that can save you time every single time you open a new tab or click the home button. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main menu for Chrome. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to the page where you can change all kinds of browser preferences. On the left-hand side, find and click Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks and behaves, including the Home button setting. Now look for the option that says Show Home Button. Toggle the switch to On. As soon as you turn this on, Chrome will let you choose what page opens when you click the home icon. Under that setting, you'll see two options. Select the second radio button, which gives you a blank text field. In that field, type the full website address you want to use as your home page. For example, you can enter aittps://google.com, or you can type any other site you want Chrome to open. Make sure the URL is complete and correct so it works properly. After you've entered the website, your home page setting is ready. Now go up to the address bar, and you should see the Home button appear to the left of it as a little house icon. Click that Home button to test it. Chrome should immediately take you to the website you entered. If it opens the right page, then you've successfully changed your Google Chrome homepage. That's all there is to it. You've now customized Chrome so your favorite site is just one click away. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.